I just wanted to do a quick video on what to do about your design journal this week. If you have gotten your homework 1 done and sent into Basecamp, so for that you'll put your homework 1 in here, homework 1. So make sure that you add it into here. If for whatever reason you can't get homework 1 done this week, it means I don't have your GitHub username anywhere. So please just ping me your GitHub username, and then we'll figure out what you need to finish homework 1 on Monday. So there's that. So, but if you've turned in homework 1, other than GitHub Desktop check-in. So let's just go through that real quick. So I'll click on Design Journal. So the prompt is, what do you hope to achieve in the class? So I'm going to open up GitHub, Visual Studio Code. Forgot where I was. And I'm going to click on my Design Journal page. I'm going to find where it says, I might as well change my name here while I'm here. So Design Journal, what do you hope to achieve by the end of this class? I'm just going to write a 1 to 2 paragraph response. I hope that students learn a whole bunch of code and web design, and that they come away from the class confident about making websites. So yeah, and then what would I like to see covered by the end? I might actually do a second paragraph here. So you can always do that. I'll just do a P. I'd like to cover lots of sound and video, especially when triggered from a click. I'm just making this up as I go. Is there a site or two that gives you butterflies in your stomach? And this is kind of different from the site inspiration. This is just sort of like, it could be the same site, but it's like that site that just makes you go, oh my golly. And let's see. I always liked, what is it? Let me see if I can get it. Lynn Fisher. Oh, it's so that's really cool. So I would talk about Lynn Fisher, although usually there's tons of information. Am I not? Let me look. And maybe this is not the person I'm thinking of. There's got to be some interaction to this. All right, maybe it's not who I think it is. I'm gonna have to think about that. Okay, I'm gonna have to get back to my own prompt. So inspiring site of the week. That Simply Chocolate site. Simply. Here we go. This is the one. Love this one, so I'm just gonna put that there. And so that's the link, goes in the href, and then in between the closing anchor and opening anchor, undo, Command Z, always your friend. Undo again, because I did something crazy. Okay, then I'm going to say Simply Chocolate. Okay, that's how I'm doing. Okay, so response. Cool, so that's fine. That's my response. Did I do it again? I did. I always do this. I jump down to the next week. I'm just going to fix that now. Week 2, I can read. So I'm just going to copy this. And then I'll just clear it out so that I don't get confused next week. And then I'll add it. I think it was just the anchor tag. Paste. Okay, so let's try that. All right, much better. So that's done. Now, I can Command Tab my way to get to the desktop. There's all kinds of changes. So I'm going to say, these are from some of the other tutorials. So I'll just say add journal prompt. This is really just a series of comments that you're leaving yourself, so that if you need to go back in time, you can with some sort of like important history. So like I know that this is where I added my journal prompt. I added a new design here. So this is just a way to change history. So, okay, back in changes, I'm going to push this. Origin is your sort of cloud origin. That's your GitHub live page. So I'm going to push this. And as usual, GitHub is always slow. But if I go to tab and I say alanacodes.github.io, I hit enter. It's not live yet. And if I do a Command-Shift-R to do a hard refresh, that'll like refresh everything. If I click on Design Journal, is that updated? Yeah, so that's updating. It's just not the home page. I don't know why. Oh, there it goes. Still old. I'm sure it'll update in a second, but there you go. There's your design journal. So that's literally all you need to do. And so every week you'll just be filling out the next week's prompt. And for these weeks that don't have one, I'll be giving you one on Basecamp. Okay, cool. Thank you.